Hi, in this video, I will be going over on how I deliver my coaching and what you can be getting out of my coaching if you were to join, and so that way I can help you achieve your health and fitness goals. Now, I want to start off with the most important part of my coaching, and that is weekly check-ins. Weekly check-ins are the most important part of the coaching. This is where we go over on how your week went, any good wins that you achieved, and also any struggles that you are going through. We all go through struggles with our journey, and if you never navigated these struggles, you don't know what to do, and that's what I'm here for. I am here to help you. Not only have I gone through the process myself, but I have helped over 100 women go through the process as well, and I have learned how to help them navigate any type of struggle that they're going through. So you'll see with the weekly check-ins, I go over on how your week was. So describe your week. Where did you feel like it fell off? Was it a good week? Was it not a good week, but we can improve on the next week? What big improvements did you have this week? What is something that you are proud of? Have you noticed changes in your clothes? How consistent have you been with your nutrition? And then we always talk about how can we make it better the next week? Anything that you're struggling with or you need help navigating. And this is really where I go ahead and share with you how we're going to make the next week better and how we're going to navigate whatever you're struggling with or whatever is going to come up that you feel like might stop you from seeing results. You do get a check-in video response where I help you and give you all the details on where we need to improve on. We go over on how your training has gone and your cardio. We also go over on your menstrual cycle, because as a female, that is important to know. And then we go over on what 3 things you need to do to make your week better. So you do hold yourself accountable. So that is one of the biggest important thing with the coaching that will get you the best results. Now, from there, we're going to go over your meal plan. So when it comes to your meal plan, I work with a lot of women who are career driven, busy moms who don't want to think. They just want it all laid out for them. So this is what I do, but I don't just create a meal plan without knowing what is your preference. So with my meal plan, I like to think of it as a flexible meal plan that's going to give you the structure and the guidance and remove all the guesswork, so that way you can just take action and achieve your goals. This is something that you and I work out together. We do get on a call when you first join the coaching. We go over on what your nutrition looks like at the moment, what are the things that you like, and what we need to improve. So you'll see here, I go over on what selections would you like for your protein, what selections you would like for your carbs. So I don't shy away from carbs. You'll see here, I have bread, pasta, rice, tortillas. So it just depends on your preference. We go over as well, like, fats, fruits, how many meals you like, what is something that you need to eat every day that makes you feel happy with your meals for that day. I talk about what are your favorite meals, what is your favorite meal, what is your breakfast, lunch, dinner look like. So we go over all that so that way I can create a plan for you that's going to be aligned with your goals and that is going to help you achieve your weight loss. All of my clients are roughly losing anywhere between 1 to 2 pounds a week, depending on what approach they want to take. Okay. And that's something that you and I will talk about. You also get an invite to my app. Okay. So you will be getting invited to my exclusive app. And this is where we start building up your habits. This is where you also have access to your meal plan. So I like to say, this is your one-stop shop. You don't have to worry about sending me emails, reaching out to me somewhere else. Everything is through this app. Your meal plan would be through this app. Your habit tracking is going to be through this app. Your training is going to be through this app. You messaging me, contacting me is all through this app. Okay. Now here is Karina's dashboard. With Karina's dashboard right now, you'll see that we have for her pictures to be uploaded, so we can go ahead and see how her progress is going, her weight, what she needs to do for the day. Obviously today is Sunday, so there is no training involved, but she does have her 10K steps steps, minimum of 3 liters of water. And then if we go over her calendar, let me show you the previous month, you'll see what we have been working up. Every week when she does her check-in, we go ahead and assign what she needs to work for the following week. I want you to keep in mind that Karina is currently working on achieving a 100-pound weight loss goal. Now, she has been with me for 2 years. This is something that does take work and dedication, and I am just so proud of all her hard work. But as you see here, this is how she has been able to hold herself accountable, and seeing what has been working for her is all she has to do is come in here, take action, and tick off the boxes. So you'll see that her workouts are here, her steps are here, she knows what she needs to do. I want you to keep in mind that since she has been working with me for more than 2 years, we have slowly worked up. When she first started, she was only doing 3 workouts a week. They are all home workouts. She has never gone to the gym. Everybody's different. If you want to go to the gym, I do create programs for you to go to the gym. If you just want to do home workouts, that is something that I provide as well. So she started with 3 days. She started with 6,000 steps, and slowly we have worked up to where she is at the moment. Then we also collect data. That way we can see how her progress has been going over the years as she has been in my coaching. So if you see here, we have been able to achieve an amazing weight loss. We also track pictures. I'm not going to be sharing with you her pictures just out of privacy, but if you want to see it, you could definitely see her on my Instagram, her before and after. And then you will have access to your meal plan as well here, where you can see your meal plan that you will be following in order to help you achieve your weight loss. And like I said, you do have access to me. Another perk of my coaching is we also have a community. So when it comes to your health and fitness journey, it can feel very lonely. And then when you don't have people in your circle supporting you, you start to wonder if this is the right move. But here I have a community I have created of women who are going through their journey. This is where we hold ourselves accountable, we're motivated, and you'll see, like, if you have a question, everybody will come on here and help you out. And they even share like fun little things that they have found. So this is just an overview of what my coaching looks like. Hopefully this makes you excited and you're able to see how I deliver my coaching, and I can't wait to talk to you soon. Bye.